Today we have a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Woman Crashes into Parked Cars, Then Claim She Wasn't Driving.
On September 18th, 2023, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a call of an active intoxicated driver that hit two cars while leaving a local bar.
How's it going, Jimmy? You know, it happened.
As of right now, she's recording, right?
Yeah, she literally was like, I don't know what she was doing. It was crazy.
Going back and forth.
Yep, pretty much like ping pong.
You saw her, like, okay. Are you willing to write a statement that you saw her driving?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get you that statement, right?
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Do you have
I'll talk, I won't ask her. I won't ask her any questions until you tell her that she's at fault and everything like that.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
Hi, ma'am. So they did see you hit those two cars over there. So it was the white car and the blue car. Okay. So obviously they're unoccupied. You're the one that's traveling in an occupied vehicle. Okay. Excuse me. Watch out. You see the car right here, brother.
Go forward.
Right, go forward. Right there, bro.
Goodness gracious.
Boy, they might have to get you a DUI the way you moving.
Iris, okay. What's your last name?
Nice to meet you too.
Come on. You have a good night tonight, aside from now?
I did. I wasn't driving.
Wait, what's her name? Hold on.
What's your first name?
Iris.
Iris, okay. What's your last name?
Oh,
Nice
that
to
is a
meet
pretty
you.
name.
Come on. You have a good night tonight, aside from now?
I did. I wasn't driving my car when I hit those two cars.
How are you not driving your car when you hit it?
I wasn't.
Who was driving?
My friend had to go get her car.
Yep. Now you go straight from there. Go straight. Yep. Straight. Going straight. Keep going straight. Start turning. So you get out that way. Yep. Slowly. Cool. You're good, bro. You're
Do
good.
you normally come to Southern Nights?
You're good. Yep. You have a good night.
Not usually.
Okay.
Take care. Okay. So they saw you driving the car. Okay. You hit two unoccupied vehicles. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a crash report. Right. I'm gonna give you a case number. You're gonna have to notify your insurance. They're gonna have to notify their insurance. Okay. At this time, I'm gonna place you at fault for the accident. Okay. They're unoccupied. You're the one driving an occupied vehicle. All right.
Which ID?
This ID right there. Okay. So as of right now, I'm done with my crash investigation. All right. And I'll be handing over the investigation to this officer right here. Okay.
Hello. I'm Officer Harmon with the Orlando Police Department. You're not under arrest or anything like that. He was just doing the crash. But in order to talk to you real quick, I kind of like have to like read something to you. Doesn't mean you're under arrest or anything like that. I just have to read this to you because I'm going to talk to you, okay? Because we're switching from a crash investigation to like a criminal investigation, okay?
It's okay.
All right. You mind just standing off of your car? That way you're not leaning or anything like that? Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. I just need a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you before question without charge. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Has anyone threatened or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
Nope.
No. Okay. So we're at Southern Nights tonight, right? When you were in there, like how long have you been here? If you could like guess.
I'd say like 2 or 3 hours.
2 or 3 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
They're not like super long days in the while.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. So while you were inside, what all did you do?
I was with my friend. Just drink, honestly.
Oh, okay, I got you. When you were inside, like, you remember how much you had to drink or anything like that?
I had 2 drinks in there.
Okay,
That's
I got
it. Yeah.
What kind of drinks?
It was just a rum and coke.
Rum and coke, that's it?
Yeah.
You remember what kind of...
2 drinks in 3 hours?
Bacardi.
Bacardi? Okay.
Yeah.
You just mind standing off to the side?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
Just rum and coke, just 2? Do you remember, what time did you stop drinking?
I don't remember what time I stopped drinking, but I literally only had 2 rum and cokes in
Okay, I
there.
got you.
So
On a scale of like 1 to 5, if you had to guess how drunk you would be, do you know how, like, where would you place yourself?
Like a 2?
Like a 2? Oh, okay, not too bad.
Yeah.
So obviously, like, he already found you at fault, everything like that. You were seen drive and you had a little bit to drink. So would you be willing to perform some field sobriety exercises tonight?
Fine.
Okay. All right. I'll just be right back, okay?
That's fine.
Do you have any medical conditions or anything that would like affect your eyes? You're diabetic, nothing like that? No, nothing? Okay. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22? Okay. I'm gonna just have you like stand up off your car. So do you wear contacts or glasses or anything like that?
I don't.
No? Okay. So pretty much I'm gonna check your eyes, okay? So I'm gonna have you stand with your feet together with your arms down at your side, so just like this. Are those shoes comfortable for you? You wanna take them off or you fine?
No,
Okay.
they are.
Okay, so I'm just having you stand with your feet together. So just like this. Yep, just like that. With your arms down at your side. All right.
And I'll put it all the way up.
All right. Can you see the tip of my pen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I just
Up or down?
just right here, just with my
Yeah, I can see it.
pen. Okay, do you see the tip of my pen? Just follow it with your eyes and your eyes alone, okay? Just keep following it with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Just keep this eyes, keep your tracking. Just keep following it with your eyes. Just your eyes alone, okay? Don't move your head, okay? Alright, just keep following it with your eyes and your eyes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, just keep following it with your eyes, okay?
Failed.
Do you see your this white line right here? Okay, I'm gonna just have you stand. So you're gonna place your left foot on the line. Yep, just your left foot, okay? You're gonna place and put your right heel against the toe of your left foot. Yep, just like that. You're gonna place your arms down at your side. Yep, maintain this position.
Keep walking?
No, you're not. You don't have to start just yet. Just walk all the way back real quick. Just walk backwards.
Wait, what?
Yep, just go right back to the start. Yep. So you're gonna place your left foot on the line and place your right heel against the toe of your left foot. You're gonna put your left foot on the line, and then you're gonna put your right foot in front of your left foot. Yep, and just keep it.
Why is
You want
she
me to explain the
walking?
instructions again? Okay.
Fine.
So listen. So you're gonna place your left foot on the line and put your right heel against the toe of your left foot. You're gonna place your arms down at your side. You're gonna maintain this position until I've completed the instruction. Do not start to walk until told to do so. Do you understand?
Cool.
Okay. When I tell you to start, you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line and turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you turn, keep your front lead foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with the other foot. So it's gonna be just like this. You'll hit me with a flashlight real quick. So your left foot's gonna be on the line, your right foot is gonna be in front of your left, your arms are gonna be down at your side. You're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 steps down. You're gonna take a series of small steps, keeping your left foot on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So you're gonna take 9 down and 9 back, okay? While you're walking, keep your arms at your side. Watch your feet at all times and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, do not stop until you have completed the exercise. Do you understand? Okay. You may begin.
Okay. 1, 2, oh shit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What the hell? Oh nah. Oh nah. Yeah, you fell. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, you ain't had no 2 drinks in no 3 hours. I ain't trying to hear that.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124,
Okay.
Yeah, so either this officer doesn't do DUIs that often, or he's new, because you know you can see that he's clearly reading from the paper pretty much word for word. You know, but yeah, she didn't have no 2 drinks in 3 hours, man. Look, it's 1:38. Do I believe she was there for about 3 hours? Or no, it's 12:38. Do I believe she was there for about 3 hours? Probably. Do I believe that she only had 2 drinks? No. No. Oh no.
So I'm gonna have you stand with your feet together and your arms down at your side. So just like this again.
She said that she was a 2 out of 5
Do not
intoxication
start to
level.
perform the exercise until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far? Okay. When I tell you to start, you're gonna raise either leg with the foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. So just like this.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna show you. Send me with the light. Yep. So you're gonna keep your feet together, your arms down at your side. You're gonna pick either leg. You're gonna raise your foot 6 inches off the ground. You're just like that. So think of like a Coke can, like a soda can.
Just keep walking?
No. You're just gonna stand just like that with your arms down at your side.
Okay.
When I keep both legs straight and your arms at your side, while holding that position, count out loud in the following manner: 1 1001, 1 1002, 1 1003, and so on until told to do so.
Okay.
Okay? Keep your arms at your side at all times and keep watching your raised foot. Do you understand? Light.
I have to count backwards?
No, you just have to count 1 1001, 1 1002, 1 1003 until told to stop, okay? Do you understand?
Cool.
All right, you may begin.
1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She must have forgot the 1,000 part.
7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, they playing that Bad Bunny in the background.
7, 8.
Oh, that bar, I know that bar is rocking right now, boy.
10.
Have you ever been skiing or anywhere outside of Florida?
I have.
You have? Okay, so you've been skiing before, right? So you know how you're supposed to hold your arms out like that? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna close your eyes, you're gonna tilt your head backward and like kind of just like act like you're skiing, okay? So it might sound weird, but you're gonna close your eyes and you're just gonna hold your arms out like this, okay?
What do you mean?
Close your eyes and then just tilt your head backwards.
Okay, I'll try.
I got you. So just close your eyes.
Like, hold my hands backwards.
Yep, just like that, and then just go and close your eyes.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Miss Iris, right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while under the influence, okay? We're gonna go to the DUI center and then I'll explain everything else to you once we get there, okay? So
That guy said she was going back and forth like a ping pong.
Anything on you, drugs, nothing crazy like that? No, okay. Right. Just gonna walk to my car. You just have you slide in. Thanks, kid.
The officer then turns off his body-worn camera and takes the woman inside the DUI testing center, where she had a blood alcohol level of 0.22. The officer then took her back to his squad car to be transported to the Orange County Jail.
Damn, a whole lot been going on in there.
So yeah, so take the
He turned off the body-worn camera. She all... Whoa, hold on. I feel like we missed a whole lot of the story. What was just going on? Hold up.
Thanks, kid.
The officer then turns off his body-worn camera and takes the woman inside the
she all
DUI
bloody
testing
and
center,
everything.
where she had a blood alcohol level of 0.22. The officer then took her back to his squad car to be transported to the Orange County Jail.
Is that my purse?
No, it's in your car. So yeah, so take that ticket to the DMV so that you can get a license so that you can drive, okay? What was that? Your license are gonna be suspended.
For how long?
That I don't know. So once you go to the DMV, they'll once everything plays out, they'll inform you. I don't know the court process or how things work. But you'll go get a hardship license. The hardship license. So you have 10 days to go get it after tonight. When you go get that.
So if I go tomorrow, what happens?
You'll get a license. It'll be a hardship license where you can go to work, school, or anywhere to conduct business, but not anywhere to party or anything like that. And that's it. Huh? Because you have to. You can't sit up here with me. That's just not my rules. Just the rules of the department. Have you ever been in jail before? Oh. I'm only asking. I'm not saying you look like it. I mean, what does anybody look like? Okay. It's just a question. That was all. That way I did not assume. No assumptions. So exactly. So you don't go to jail. So take this as a quick value little lesson and then just move forward. How old do you think I am? That's the real question.
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't want to hear your guess now. Well, first you got to guess, and then I'll tell you if you're right or wrong.
The woman was then taken inside the Orange County Jail, where she was booked and charged with driving under the influence. She was later found guilty in court after pleading no contest. If you enjoy the content we produce, please don't forget to like.
Yeah, man. That was quite the small talk, my guy. Okay. Cop over there. Oh, guess my age. Okay. Fixing her up. All right. Okay, now. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, she just really intoxicated, man. The guy said in the beginning, he said she was hitting these cars like it was a ping pong table, man. He said bing, 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 bing. She was just back and forth, just ramming the cars like, oh, man. Nah, boy. Crazy, man. Anyways, yeah, she had a lot more than 2 drinks. That's all I got to say, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.